Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Malescu and I am the owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida, specializing in business, corporate and US immigration. We can assist you with all your immigration needs regardless of where you are currently located or where you plan to go in the United States. Today we are going to speak about the fact that the Department of Homeland Security has eliminated the duration of status for individuals in F, J, and I visa status. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell button or the subscribe button. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has published a final rule that eliminates the duration of status, also known as the D/S framework, for F visa holders, J exchange visitors visa holders, and foreign media representatives, the I visa holders. Basically, with this new rule, the Department of Homeland Security is eliminating the duration of status, and instead of the duration of status, applicants in F student visas, J exchange visitor visas, and I foreign media representatives will be receiving a fixed period of admission to the United States as opposed to the duration of status admission that was used until this new rule. The key changes under this new rule are: 1. Fixed period of admission. So those of you who are applying for F1 student status or F student status and J exchange visitor status, you will receive a fixed period of admission for the length of your program, but up to the maximum of 4 years, which is very different from the duration of status that was used up until this new rule came into effect. So, for example, if you are applying for an F1 student visa to pursue a bachelor's program in the United States and your bachelor's program is for 4 years, then you will be admitted for the 4 years instead of being admitted for duration of status, which was the case up until now. The same applies if you are pursuing a master's. If your master's program is 2 years, then you will receive that fixed period of admission of 2 years that matches the length of your program in the United States. A second change is the reduced grace period. So those of you who are in F or J statuses, you will receive 30 days grace period as opposed to 60 days grace period. So from moving forward, you will only have 30 days in order to change your status post-graduation or transfer to a different school or depart the United States at the end of your status. A third change is the fact that you need to do mandatory federal extensions if your program is going to end up being longer than initially predicted. So if you need to extend your program because maybe you are not graduating on time or for any other reasons that the program needs extensions, you cannot rely on the university approved extensions anymore, and you will have to file an extension of status on form I-539 with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or if needed a new visa, you will have to travel abroad and get a new visa. And finally, the last key change involves stricter academic restrictions. So here there are new rules regarding changing majors, transferring schools, changing educational levels during your first year of study in the United States, or if you are a graduate student, these new restrictions will apply at any time during your graduate studies. So keep in mind there are also stricter rules regarding the academics, so your ability to change major, transfer schools, or change educational levels. Specific program limitations. Certain programs have stricter fixed admission periods, and this involves two types of programs. First, the English language training. So the programs, the ELS programs for English language training is limited to 24 months fixed admission period plus the 30 days grace period for you to depart the United States. And the second one is for public high schools and charter schools. When you apply to do a course of study in public high schools or charter schools, you can receive a maximum of 12 months in the aggregate, so 12 months period of admission in order to complete your course of study. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you need to get in touch with us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. We will see you soon. Bye.